Hello everyone, my name is Ayushi. I'm currently interning under Lexis and Company. So today I'm going to discuss about the topic about the news, which is a very viral and which is a very important for our profession, that has to be given as our right in our Indian Constitution. That is a Advocate Protection Act. So there is a many this is a very controversial issues which has been demanded since very long time, as we see in our profession, that is to deal with the cases which is to deal with the cases and to deal with the many criminals across in our profession. If we deal with our cases which our client is giving to us, we we do so much of efforts in that, putting a case to win, that we just go into as our own. We seems that this is our own matter to deal with. We deal like that. So in doing, in the course of that time, this directly affects our profession, or this directly affect the person who is the lawyer and advocate who is dealing with that matter. Sometimes it does, it takes their life, it takes their a whole profession, that they get murdered, they get harassed, they get kidnapped, they get many of the criminal act as act which is done for onto them. So this is the Advocate Protection Act, which is are being demanded from this long time. Many strikes, many scandals has done for the enactment of this, for the demanding for the enactment of this act. So as we know that Advocate Act, which is there in our constitution, which is very different from the Advocate Protection Act. So the Advocate Act, which enable only about the enrollment of advocate who is an advocate under Advocate Act, the Bar Council of India, the State Bar Council, Bar Council has given the autonomous stature to it. So all the advocate like provide the combine of all the laws legal India, all the ordinances, all the laws, all the rules, all the notification which is provided to deal with the matter in course of a litigation and in course of a behavior to an advocate. It is dealing with that. Various provision related to the Bar Council at the state and the central levels. The different of the lawyer vakil was also scrapped off, and the single title of advocate was applied to it, and even many punishments are also given to are written to it on it, if there is any misbehavior or illegal works are done by advocate. Many in course of their litigation, in course of their profession, in course of their holding license, everything is written in an advocate, but there is a no clause which is has been provided in that Advocate Protection Act for the protection of the advocate. As we in the news also, Mr. Rajiv Dhawan, who is a senior advocate of Supreme Court of India, told in an interview that he is being assaulted, intimidated when he was a counsel of the appellant in the Ayodhya Babri Masjid case. So they are the voices who play a major role in the reformation of the judiciary and the society at large. If they are being harassed, if they are being assaulted, so there is an obligation, there is a moral obligation for the legislature to enact such laws for the protecting of the advocate, for protection of their for protection of their right as a right. So there is a need to enactment. So the recent judgment which came up that there is a certain member, 7 member of the committee for the framing of a draft. The finally BCI constitute the 7 member for framing a draft for the Advocate Protection Act. So the council has nominated several members from the vice chairman of Bar Council of India, executive chairman of Bar Council, co-chairman of Bar Council of India, and the member of the Bar Council of India, a vice chairman, and the members are being given are being framed for the for framing this, are being given as a duty, as role to frame such laws for the protection of. So in the meeting which dated as 10th June, the council discussed the incident which wherein a Jaipur based lawyer, namely advocate Sri Ram Sharma, and his wife was attacked physically and causing several injury. Also said that, so these were the incidents which were majorly in discussion, which include the attack on Telangana based lawyer and his wife. So stating such incidents, stating seeing all the constituencies which are being followed from the life, from the earlier stages. So these are the situation which have to be mandated to frame such protection laws, which give a right as in protection of, or the advocate to live or to deal with the cases uh, without having a fear of being you know being harassed or being attacked. So the council noted that it's a high time when the central and state government should take up the issue with the sincerity. Failing, the advocate of the country would have take a recourse of countrywide litigation. So it is an imperative that such act has passed by the, so it said that it is an imperative that such act be passed by the parliament at the earliest, as the advocate fraternity is literally acting as one of the essential beings of justice delivery system, while the police and judiciary have access to protection and privileges, but the most important link between the two, who urges the present and class matter in the courts, is are not given proper protection against the nefarious activities and social element. So there is a need to be enact such laws for the protection of the right of the advocates.